Are you tired of digging through Salesforce menus to find login history? Learn the exact 4-click path to view it in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you where to click on your profile. Then we'll go into Settings, find Login History, and scan the results. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Salesforce screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your personal settings page. Now, in the left-hand navigation panel, find and click on Login History under the Security section. You'll see a table listing all recent login attempts. Take a moment to scan through and review the details. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.